Okay, so we have all been there, lying on our bed, staring at the ceiling, scrolling through our phone for the hundredth time, and still feeling like there's absolutely nothing to do. That specific kind of boredom that just sits on you? Yeah, I know it too well. So, here are some things that actually helped me out. So, the first way is decluttering. When I'm overthinking, restless, just in that weird, bored, but anxious mood, I just clean. And I know, sounds boring. But there's something about taking a messy space and making it calm again that just quiets your brain down. Your hands are busy, your mind finally stops racing, and suddenly you're just present. Plus, your environment affects your mood more than you think. So, next time, if you're feeling bored or maybe unproductive, just start cleaning and look at the magic. The next thing that is very much therapeutic, according to my opinion, is painting. So, painting, or maybe doodling, or maybe doing a mandala art, or maybe sketching, whatever your mind says to do so, just go for it. And for today, I chose to do a mandala art. I think while painting or doing any kind of sketch or mandala art or whatever it is, your brain just focuses on that specific activity and does not stresses about anything else. So it is quite a great activity. When you feel bored or overwhelmed about something, just go for it. The next thing that's on the list is reading a book. Now, I wouldn't say that when I'm bored or when I feel unproductive, I just read a fictional book, because it's really my hobby to read fictional books, because it puts me into a different dimension. It not only clears up my mind but also shifts me to a different kind of reality where I do not have to think or I do not have to plan for what I'm gonna do, because the author has already written what is going to happen in the future. So I just love reading books when I am not doing anything else, or as it is my hobby, I just do it when I'm free, or maybe when I'm busy also. I do it out of habit because I love doing it. So, the current book that I'm reading is The Silent Patient by Alex Michelides. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct or not, but it is a great book. And if you are in a reading slump right now, just go for it. And it is a thriller, and I love thrillers. So, if you're a thriller girly and still haven't read it, I don't know what you're waiting for.